skies, this strange and at the same time cool all-terrain vehicle is called Geocom. It is based on an all-wheel drive chassis with an 8x8 wheel arrangement, on which a shortened body from an urban bus was installed. A loading platform and a special crane manipulator were added to it. As you might guess, the car is designed to drive and perform a variety of jobs in rough terrain. The most important advantage of the Geocom all-terrain vehicle is that the vehicle is able to quite easily overcome even the steepest slopes, cross water barriers and areas with deep snow cover. As a power unit, a 7-liter Isuzu diesel engine with a capacity of 200 horsepower is used. In order not to leave deep ruts in the tundra, tractor wheels were installed on the all-terrain vehicle. Geocom can carry up to 3 tons of cargo and 6 people in the cabin. In general, we got such a 4-axle snow and swamp vehicle that replaces a bus, truck and tractor.